Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with Nclose. Today I'm going to show you how to attach an Nclose battery pack to a Mini with an Edynamo. And this is the Mini 4.5, but the concept is the same. So if you take your tablet and you want to plug directly into the circuit, all you need to do is take your module. Notice there's some cable management slots and what I like to call is a little tooth. I like that tooth to go on this end, so when you slide it in, the battery doesn't go too far. Normally, on the larger cases, you're going to go into this hole. On the smaller cases, you're going to go into these. And what we recommend is when you line it up, you start by putting one screw in, you go down a small one turn. You set this one, and as you go down evenly, you're going to notice that it gets a little tight. So from there, you simply take your micro USB cable to USB-A, you plug it in, and you go right into your circuit. I'm going to also show you a secondary video on how to install this as an independent charge so that your tablet and your reader are charging independently.